Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Chemistry King. I am Dr. S.K. Sinha discussing Somlet-Hauser rearrangement. It is benzyl group and it is trimethyl. Benzyl trimethyl ammonium halide. The substrate is benzyl trimethyl ammonium halide. It is also called benzyl quaternary salt. When benzyl quaternary salt is heated with a strong base, that is alkali metal amide or sodamide, this CH2 gets converted into CH3 and this unit comes here. How? This is 1-methyl will get attached here and then it is CH2NMe2. CH2NMe2 will be here. Now this CH2NMe2 will further be alkylated with methyl iodide, then it becomes tertiary quaternary ammonium salt, and again then Somlet-Hauser reaction here can take place and thus CH2NMe2 will come here. Again by Somlet-Hauser rearrangement CH2NMe2 will come here. Again CH2NMe2 will come here, and again by Somlet-Hauser rearrangement CH2NMe2 will come here. Means CH2NMe2 means Somlet-Hauser rearrangement will take place continuously until an ortho position is blocked. Okay. Now let us see mechanism. It is benzyl quaternary ammonium salt. When it is heated with amide ion, it takes one hydrogen from here. Friends, this hydrogen is more acidic than this hydrogen. So, carbanion, this carbon turns into carbanion. Okay. Then this hydrogen is removed and this carbon ion is formed. Although it is more stable, it is less stable. Even then, it is formed due to this attacking. It will attack here, this pi bond will shift here and this bond will shift here, leading to this. Further, this bond will shift here for aromatization and this pi bond will shift here, leading to this. It is the Somlet-Hauser rearrangement. Further, when this nitrogen is methylated again, then you will get benzyl quaternary ammonium salt, and this compound may lead to Somlet-Hauser rearrangement. Okay. This mechanism has been called an SNI mechanism. SNI stands for substitution nucleophilic internal. Internally, the rearrangement takes place internally. This carbon gets attached here and this bond will break. Friends, in this mechanism, one thing should be learned, one thing should be remembered, that this carbon gets attached here and this bond will break here and this CH2 becomes CH3. This is the final product. Look into this and look into this. Okay. Now let us see example 1. This methyl group turns into carbanion with the help of this strong base. This carbon ion will attack here and this pi bond will shift here and this bond will shift here, leading to this. Further, this bond will shift here and this bond will shift here, leading to carbon ion here, negative charge here, and this H plus will go there, okay, leading to this. This bond will break here. This bond will break in this fashion for aromatization, okay, leading to this compound. Very interesting compound. Example 2. Here it is cesium fluoride. It is particular to breaking of this bond. So we call it cesium fluoride is used for desilylation. Cesium fluoride will break this bond, carbon silicon bond, okay. DBU is this and HMPA is this. These two are bases, okay. Now, by breaking this bond, this carbon turns into carbon ion and this carbon ion will attack here. This pi bond will shift in this fashion and this bond will shift in this fashion, leading to this. And at last, this bond will shift in this fashion for aromatization and then this pi bond will shift in this fashion. This H plus gets attached here, leading to this. Example 3. This is quaternary ammonium salt. Cesium fluoride will break this bond, leading to carbon ion here, and this carbon ion will gets attached here. Thus, and this pi bond will break, this bond will break here, and this CH2 will become CH3. Okay, this is the product. Example 4. It is the substrate when it is heated with ethyl iodide and it is the solvent dimethyl formamide. When these two are refluxed, you will get this. It is nothing but it is quaternary ammonium salt. When Somlet-Hauser rearrangement is imposed here, when this compound is heated with sodamide, you will get this. How? First this bond will break here, leading to carbon ion, negative charge at this carbon, and this carbon gets attached here. This bond will break from here, leading to this. Okay. Example 5. This is quaternary ammonium salt, and when it is heated with sodamide, this part, this CH2 methyl turns into CH2 and it will get here, it will get attached here, and this bond will break from here, leading to this compound. So it is Somlet-Hauser product. Example 6. This CH2, it is methylene group. This CH2 becomes carbon ion, and this carbon finally gets attached at this carbon. Okay, and this bond will break in this fashion, and this CH2 becomes CH3. Okay, friends, remember it. Underline this, that this carbon will get attached here. This carbon will get attached here, and this bond will break here, means this CH will contain this phenyl and this NMA2, leading to this product. Example 7. Here it is quaternary ammonium salt. This carbon gets attached here and this bond will break from here. When this bond will break from here, you will get this, and when this carbon gets attached here, you will get this. It is the Somlet-Hauser product. Example 8. It is the quaternary ammonium salt when it is heated with strong base. Friends, you are looking here. This methylene group is acidic, highly reactive, active. So, first negative charge will develop here, and then that carbon gets attached here, and this bond will break from here. So, this CH2 becomes CH3 here, and this carbon gets attached here, and this carbon is still attached with this nitrogen and this ester group. The carbon which is attached here, that carbon will contain this NME2 and ester group. This is a product. Okay. Example 9. Here it is the ortho position. This carbon gets attached here, and this bond will break here, leading to this. Okay. Example 10. This is very, very important. This question has been asked in GATE exams some year. This bond is above the plane of this screen. Okay. So this carbon is near to this carbon, and this carbon is reactive because this bond will shift in this fashion and this bond will shift in this fashion. So positive charge will be here. This pi bond and this pi bond are in conjugation, so this position is important. Okay. First of all, this carbon becomes carbanion, and then this negative charge will attack here. This pi bond will shift in this fashion, and finally this pi bond will shift in this fashion, leading to this. Okay. Now this negative charge will shift in this fashion, and this pi bond, this carbon gets attached with this carbon. When this negative charge will shift in this fashion, and this gets attached with this carbon, this pi bond will shift in this fashion, means this carbon gets attached with this carbon. Okay, like this. Look into this matter. This pi bond will shift in this fashion, and this pi bond will shift in this fashion, means this carbon gets attached with this, and so this bond will shift in this fashion, leading to this. Now Rene nickel is here, means this bond is broken by Rene nickel. How? Hydrogenation is taking place, means this bond is broken. One hydrogen gets attached here, and one leading to CH3SH, and it becomes CH3. Okay, this is the important compound. This reaction has been asked in GATE examination. Okay, there are so many examples given here, 10 examples given here. These are sufficient enough. Okay. Wow, it is my thought. I am wise, friends. I am wise. Why wise? Because I know nothing. Friends, I know nothing. It is my effort to learn something to you, to teach something to you. Okay. Thank you. See you again.